This is the story of little Jordan, visiting his Pua for the very first time. However, getting to California from British Columbia, Canada, in the middle of a pandemic, while there is a massive snowstorm going on, is going to make this journey a lot more difficult. They are catching an early morning flight, and therefore need to leave really early. They need to rush because there is a heavy snow warning. But they need to make sure that little Jordan is comfortable enough for the ride. They are crossing the border via road to get to the airport. After driving through the storm for almost 2 hours, they finally reached the airport. Due to extreme weather, the flight has been delayed by 4 hours. Dad is trying his best to keep the little guy occupied. The flight got cancelled due to extreme weather. Since they can't go back to Canada without getting a COVID test, and there were no testing facilities that had any appointments available for the next few days, they managed to find a hotel nearby. A quick nap is followed by a few drinks. After all, men will be men. Cheers! Once everyone is asleep, Dad manages to find a flight from a different airport, leaving the next day. Jordan slept like a baby. They have to leave early in order to make it to the airport.
Good morning. Good morning.
아예 그래요. 땅감. ਪਰ ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਉੱਚੋਂ ਥੱਲੇ ਗਏ ਰਿਸਕ ਦਾ ਹੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਜਾਂਦੀ
The trees and the mountains look pretty, but driving in this weather can be challenging. On their way to the airport, they stopped at a McDonald's to grab a quick bite. They stopped at a Sikh temple near the airport so that little Jordan can take his afternoon nap. Daddy managed to squeeze in a little father and son time. After driving for a few more hours, they finally reached the airport.
Hi, I'm Rick Ridge, the voice of the Seattle Airways. Welcome to Seattle Tacoma International Airport.
The airport is packed. Jordan had never seen this many people before. Daddy, despite being overly tired from all the driving and carrying all the bags, is doing everything he can to keep Jordan happy. This flight, as well, is delayed by 3 hours. Just like his daddy, Jordan is pretty popular with the ladies. Both mommy and daddy are making sure that the little guy is doing okay. Surprisingly, Jordan slept through the flight. They've finally landed at Sacramento Airport, and luckily, Jordan is still sleeping. Even in the car, Jordan stayed asleep, which has never happened before. Knock knock, Pua, we're home.
स्प्रे कर देनी चाहिए बड़ी बोल रही मुंडे सानू इन्ना Looks like Bua has been busy preparing for Jordan's arrival.
Very good. Oi, puto em palese, Jordan. Onde fui? Onde é? Oh, que bacana.
I'm gonna grab it and listen.
ਨਹੀਂ ਡੈਡੀ ਜੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ
He is not gonna wear this.
After hugs, kisses, and toys, here comes a gold chain. It's a good day for Jordan.
तुम्ही लागे होय तर.
Jordan spotted something new.
Sit on it.
ਇਹ ਦੂਜੀ ਉਹ ਕੁੱਟਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ
What are you waiting for? Sit on it. Jordan. Wait, Jordan.
The Roomba vacuum is doing a great job of keeping Jordan occupied.
ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ ਕੰਨ ਪੱਟੀ ਕਰੂੰਗੀ ਜੇ ਹੁਣ ਨਾ ਬੰਨਿਆ ਮੈਨਾਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਦੇਣਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਜੋਰਡਨ ਮੇਰਾ ਸੂਟ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆ ਇਹ ਗਗਨ
Jordan is really keen on kissing Ishandeep. However, it looks like Ishandeep is not too happy about it. Looks like Daddy needs to talk to Jordan about harassment.
ਚਲੋ ਦੀਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਆਓ. ਚਲੋ ਦੀਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਆਓ. ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਆ ਗਿਆ?
ਉਹਦਾ ਨਾ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਦਨਾਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਫੂਡ ਖਾਦਾ ਯਾਰ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਦਾ ਪਾਇਆ ਪਰ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਇਆ
ਦੀਦੀ
ਇਹ ਚਲੋ ਇਹ ਦੀਦੀ ਦਾ ਦਸਾ ਸਾਲਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿਤਾ ਦਸਾ ਸਾਲਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਯਾਰ ਸ਼ਾਨਦਾਰ ਹੋਣਾ ਕਦੇ ਵਿਆਹ ਵਿੱਚ
He calls Gogandeep Didi, which makes her super happy. Jordan loved the aloo paranthas his bua made for him.
ਨਾਰੀ ਹੁਣ ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਨਾ ਮੱਛਰ ਨਾ ਡਾਊਨਰ ਕਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਾ ਵੀ ਦੋ ਨਾ ਕੁਝ ਖਾਲੀ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਸੋਫੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
They got invited to yet another bua's home for dinner. While the women were busy discussing jewelry and dresses, men discussed politics. Everyone is having a great time. It looks like Jordan really likes Ishandeep. Jordan's loving all the extra attention he's getting. While the kids are busy playing, Daddy gets the much needed foot massage. Jordan is having the time of his life. At this point, it looks like Jordan is obsessed with Ishandeep. Since they need a COVID test to get back into Canada, Daddy has been busy finding appointments. Pua and Jordan are finally getting along. Since Pua is throwing a party for Jordan's arrival, Gogandip is in charge of making the garage look more hospitable. As of now, Gogandip can't find any scissors and has to use a knife.
Okay, let me go get the scissors. Can I get the scissors?
She got told she has to use whatever she was given. Meanwhile, Pua and Daddy are busy preparing dinner.
Salt Bay.
Jordan is dealing surprisingly well with all the ruckus. While Pua is busy, Jordan is raiding the pantry. Time to get traditional. Today is the day for celebrations. Pua has invited all her friends to see her nephew. Snacks are finally here. Daddy is making his world-famous bale puri.
Sorry, we don't have any bigger bowls. The camera spills are horrible.
Guests, of all shapes and sizes, have arrived. The kids are having the time of their lives. While the women are discussing dresses and shoes, men are discussing more important topics on hand, like politics, religion, and possibly sports. Jordan seems to be enjoying California's sun. The food has arrived. Time to fill up the plates. Now comes the most important part. Jordan's grandma is gonna give expensive clothes as gifts to all the guests. She has been carefully planning this for the last few weeks. Meanwhile, Jordan has been keeping himself busy. To be effective and efficient at giving suits to guests, one has to be laser focused and must have the ability to plan their next 3 moves. Luckily, Jordan's grandma has been doing this for years. She came prepared with dresses in all possible colors and designs. Nobody has been able to beat Jordan's grandma at this game. Once the guests leave, it's time to clean up. Hua was about to fall down, but luckily, Grandma was there. While Hua is busy thanking Grandma, Jordan has been busy doing what he does best. It's yet another beautiful and sunny day in Monteca, California. To go back to Canada, everyone needs a COVID test. Finding a facility that offers the test that is accepted by Canadian Border Services is yet another challenge. Also, it's time to start packing.
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਬੰਦਾ ਪਾਉਂਦੀ ਤੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਡਾਈਪਰ ਵੀ ਪਾਈ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੈ ਜਾਓ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨੇ ਬੋਲਾਂ
ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਕੱਪੜੇ ਧੋਣੇ ਪਾਏ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ
ਹਾਲੇ
ਮੈਂ
ਪਾਏ।
ਨਿਕਲੀ ਜੋੜਨ ਦੀ ਸੋਚ ਪਾਉਂ
ਨਹੀਂ ਦੋ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ
ਇੱਕ ਮੇਰੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ
ਰਮਨ ਤੇਰੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਫਲਾਈਟ 6:30 ਕਿ 8 ਵਜੇ 6:30 6:30
Jordan and Ishandeep have been inseparable the last few days. Despite being overly busy with all the celebrations going on, Jordan has not missed a single episode of Cocomelon. The kids are extremely happy. This is what Gagandeep feels about the whole thing.
How do you feel about Mama Mommy showing up?
I care for mommy, I don't care about you.
Says the girl, who will cry herself to sleep for the next 3 weeks.
Seriously?
Ishandeep and Raman have one more game of rock, paper, scissors. Daddy is checking the flight status, making sure the flight isn't cancelled or delayed. Pua makes sure that the bags are properly packed. It's Mommy's birthday today. Daddy and Jordan got her a cake. Mommy had no idea.
wait guys
Keep walking. Wait. Careful.
Hold on, wait.
Where are we going? Where are we
Wait a
going?
minute. Nowhere right now.
ਰਮਨ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ
So, what are you doing?
Happy birthday
No, tero diva.
Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday.
We already sang.
ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਆ
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay!
ਲੇਕਿਨ ਇਹ
We go on more than enough.
ਮਾਮੀ ਦੇ ਮੂਹਰੇ
It's time to go back to Canada. Bua is giving Jordan some money. Goodbyes can be difficult. Luckily, no tears were involved.
ਬਚਣੀ ਵਾਲਾ ਨਾ ਹਾਲ ਹੋ ਮੇਰਾ ਕਿੰਨਾ
Luckily, this time, the flight is on time. Jordan is having a nice time. The flight leaves in less than an hour. It's extremely important to keep little Jordan occupied. For now, cookies will do.
Thank you for being mindful of others while finding your seat this morning.
Mommy gives Jordan some milk to drink, so that his ears won't hurt during takeoff. Jordan fell asleep right after takeoff. Daddy has a lot of driving to do to get everyone home.
ਸੋਹਣੀ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਆ ਨਾ ਉਦੋਂ ਪਰ ਤਰਾ ਤਰਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਸਾਹ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੇ
Jordan entertained everyone on the way back with his songs. He has never been this excited about a car ride before. Daddy is trying to get everyone home as soon as possible. They've finally arrived at Canadian border. Home, sweet home.